Creating realistic AI videos is really popular right now, but most people think that writing longer prompts will get better results from the AI. And that's not true. Rather, you actually get better results when you write a structured prompt and not long ones that ramble on. You see, most prompts fail because people say what they want, but not how it should happen. So if you want to generate realistic looking videos, you don't need to write a long list of instructions. Instead, you want to use a framework that forces the AI to give you the output you want. And in this video, we'll walk you through the framework, and you can download the template by using the link below. And as a bonus, this framework works for any project you want to create, no matter if it's a cleaning video, skeleton video, mechanical sequence, time-lapse, or whatever the popular trend is at this time. The secret is to use a structured framework called LAWS, which stands for locking in priorities, applying global rules, work a workflow, structure, and strip away redundant negatives. Starting with the L, the first step to get better results from your prompts is to first lock in your priorities. That means you tell the AI what matters most if there's ever any conflicts. Think of it like an order of importance. At the top, you have the physical output, and that means it has to look realistic and obey real-world rules. Next, every action has to happen, no skipping steps. Then, continuity. You want everything to be consistent, the same subject, tools, same camera, etc. Finally, the visual style. It has to look good. The point of establishing these priorities is the AI will know exactly what's important, and it won't have to guess about what you want. Next, we move on to applying global rules. The way this works is instead of repeating things over and over in each step of your prompt, you put them all up front. For example, anything that touches your subject has to affect the whole thing. Nothing can be skipped. No incomplete actions. The other area to focus on is everything should behave realistically according to natural law. For example, water flows downhill, gravity always pulls down, things react in ways that make sense. Next, we work a workflow, which translates to you give the AI a step-by-step process to follow. You see, AI loves to take shortcuts, so our job is to make things go in order by showing the AI where to start, letting the actions happen, having everything unfold naturally and gradually, with everything finishing on its own. Put another way, every step should be clear and make sense. No jump cuts, no instant weird transformations, and so on. The last step is to give the AI structure and strip out redundant negatives. What this means is you tell the AI what not to do without overwhelming it. And this is where most people drop the ball. You want to group all your negatives logically. For example, no floating objects, nothing is disconnected, nor happens instantly, and nothing looks fake. Basically, it's about keeping all the steps and labels organized, along with cutting out confusing double negatives so the AI actually understands what you mean. So that's it, a universal framework that'll help you create realistic-looking AI projects. As we mentioned, you can download the template for free, and you can use it for your own projects. Just use the link below. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a like and comment below. And now here's another video for you.